If you're getting into crypto, you've probably heard the term wallet. But what is a crypto wallet? And which one should you use? A crypto wallet doesn't hold coins like a physical wallet. Instead, it stores your private keys, digital credentials that let you access your crypto on the blockchain. There are two main types: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are connected to the internet. They're easy to use, fast, and perfect for beginners. These include mobile apps like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, and Coinbase Wallet. Great for day-to-day use, but more vulnerable to hacking. Cold wallets, on the other hand, store your crypto offline. These include hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor. They're the gold standard for long-term storage and large balances because they're nearly immune to online attacks. Here's how to decide which wallet is right for you. If you're new and making small purchases, a hot wallet is fine. If you plan to hold for the long term or store larger amounts, get a hardware wallet. You can even use both: hot wallet for trading and cold wallet for storage. Just remember this: whoever controls the keys controls the crypto. So make sure you back up your seed phrase, use strong passwords, and never share your credentials with anyone. Want wallet reviews, comparisons, and tutorials? Head to crypto101.com for everything you need to get started. This is Crypto 101. Crypto simplified, wealth amplified.